knotter is a key part of the baler. The spoked wheel to the left measures one bale and then triggers the knotter. Once the knotter is triggered, the vertical shaft in the center of the picture rotates, pulling the needles through the hay, and the knot is made. Twine is held at the knotter to make the next bale. The plunger and horse head pause while the needles come through to make the bale. The knotter in operation has been slowed down by a factor of 10 to help see the action. You just saw the needles go through the hay to make a bale in real time while the horsehead and plunger paused. Here the needles are slowed down by a factor of 10 so that you can see the action. The box to the right of the needles holds the twine. This is some New Holland advertisement material from the 1940s. Ed Nolt was the inventor of the New Holland baler. A book was published in 2015, authored by Alan Shirk, telling the story of the baler. One of the key inventions by Ed Nolt was the two-piece shaft that drives the plunger. The two shaft pieces operate normally with one inside the other, but they disconnect during the knotter operation, which ties and completes a bale. That allows the bale to be held in compression by the plunger during the knotting, while the engine, the large flywheel, and the hay pickup continue normal operation. The needles actually go through two slots in the plunger next to the compressed hay during the knotting operation. The Nolt Special was put into operation in 1938, and New Holland bought the rights to it in August of 1940. The Model 73 was produced from 1941 through 1943, with 1,549 units sold, and the Model 75 was produced from December of 1943 till March of 1946, when it was replaced by the Model 76. 5,904 Model 75s were sold, but 33,300 Model 76s were sold. This Model 75 New Holland baler was purchased in the winter of 1944 to 1945 by Jacob L. Sollenberger, who lived on what is now Hawk Road in Peters Township, Franklin County, Pennsylvania. He said it was the first baler in Peters Township. There is a record that shows Jacob paid for it in January of 1945. The price was $1,886. His record of book shows he had an income of $1,642.50 from custom baling in 1945. This baler was in use for more than 30 years by Jacob Sollenberger. It was transported back to Franklin County from Montour County, Pennsylvania, and donated to the Cumberland Valley Antique Engine Association in May of 2007 by Jacob's son, Stanley J. Sollenberger.